This is the RTFKT X Nike Dunks Nekocamo B. B is because they're blue-green. There's also an orange pair, but regardless, both of these are extremely limited with said to be around 50 pairs each. What makes it really special is its material. So now, if we take a closer look at the material, the reason it's called Nekocamo, but specifically its nickname cat tongue, is because of all these little rubber nibs that form all around the shoe. And if you can actually hear the noise it makes. And so basically they're all at different levels, creating this camo. So you can see like the green ones, they're much lower compared to the white ones, which you see right here are kind of lifted, allowing them to flow when you touch them and make these weird noises. Now these are kind of the same as all the other RTFKT dunks, as they do come with mods. So you get the standard tongue mod and heel mod. The only difference is it does not come with eyelet mods, and it's just the way that the shoe is constructed, where the tab does not lift up and it does not allow for eyelet mods. But this pair also comes with a tote bag. So the tote bag is actually weaved and not screen printed, which is pretty nice, and it does have the RTFKT branding. But what's really cool is that the pattern that's on the tote bag is the same on the shoe, as you can see RTFKT right here. It does come with extra laces and a nice little vial that says Nekocamo B that you can put into the tongue mod. If you want to know more on how people actually got these, I did make an overview video, which I'll link on top. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more.